Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll explore how to manage your fields using the Datatronic 5 system. First, in the main guidance menu, tap the button with the folder icon. With the submenu open, select the Fields button to access the Field Manager. In the Field Manager, you can search and select fields categorized by customers, farms, and individual fields. Change the field by sliding top of down. If a boundary is available, it will be immediately displayed on the field. You can modify the name of the field at any time by clicking on the pencil icon. You can also quickly create a new field by clicking the plus button. Give it a name and provide more details about the customer and the farm. From there, you can also activate the automatic field detection function when you enter the field with your tractor. When you approach or enter a registered field, a pop-up will appear, and you will need to confirm that it is the correct field and that you want to load it on the guidance map. Next, you can transfer all the fields recorded in the FieldStar 5 into the Datatronic 5. Click on the screen icon, select the field to import, and click OK. Now click on the bottom left field drop-down filter and make sure the filters are set to all customers and all farms. The complete field list overview will appear. Clicking the Edit button presents several options. First, delete fields by selecting the one you want to delete and clicking OK. Then export field data by selecting the one you want to export and clicking OK. A pop-up will inform you about the name of the export file created and will propose to go to the Data Transfer menu. Click on X to stay in the Field Manager. Finally, you can also create new fields from there by clicking the plus button. Then click back on the filter icon. Click on the field you want to load into the guidance map and click OK. From there, you are able to work in that field from the guidance map. You now have a solid understanding of how to manage your fields in the Datatronic 5 system. It's your turn to try.